Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, December 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the dollar CAD, I still think this is likely a WX, and I think we're likely in a wave Y right now. I still think this looks like a 1, 2, 3 of wave Y. Now, we have to pay attention to 78%. If price does close above this 78% very significantly on these higher time frames, then it probably will eventually go up and take out the previous highs. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly, it definitely is closing above, but we have to see. I mean, if it rejects this area and starts a big move to the downside, then it definitely could start that big downtrend that we've been waiting for. But we have to be careful because the trend is definitely up on all these higher time frames. Taking it down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, my structure is way down here. So price would have to go all the way down here to break this structure to prove to me that this whole uptrend right here is over. So we have to be cautious, like I said, because any move we see to the downside could just be a crutch into the last wave up. Just like this was just a crutch into this, and this was just a crutch into this, and this was just a correction to this. So anyways, taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, definitely got to move to the downside. We definitely do not even have a break of structure on this time frame. So the trend is up on all the higher time frames. So I would definitely still be looking for longs in the uptrend. Taking it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. To me, it looks like impulsive up. It looks like 1, 2, 3 waves down. To me, it looks like it's actually getting ready to make another move to the upside. I would be very cautious about sorting this, especially because on the weekly time frame it looks like it's closing above the 78%. Normally when price closes above the 78%, it will end up going up and taking out the 100%. So pay very close attention because the trend is definitely up on all the higher roadmap time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.